Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the biggest frustrations for YouTubers, low RPM and CPM. You put in the work, upload videos constantly, your views are growing, but your earnings, not so much. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly why your RPM and CPM are low and most importantly, how you can increase them fast with strategies that actually work in 2025. So make sure you watch until the end because the tips near the end can double your revenue. Before we talk about fixing your monetizations, let's quickly understand what these numbers really means. CPM stands for cost per mile, meaning how much advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions. This is not what you earn. This is what advertisers pay to YouTube. RPM stands for revenue per mile, meaning how much you actually earn per 1,000 views. RPM is usually lower because YouTube takes its cut and not every viewer sees ads. So CPM equal advertiser money, RPM equal your money. If your RPM is low, it's usually because your CPM is low, your niche is weak, or your audience doesn't generate revenue. Let's start with the biggest reason, your niche. Not all niches pay the same. Here are high-paying niches: finance, business and marketing, tech reviews, software tutorials, real estate, AI tools. And here are low-paying niches: entertainment, pranks, music, vlogs, general gaming. So if your channel is mostly entertainment-based, your CPM will naturally be the lower because advertisers don't pay high amount for that category. So it's not always your fault. Sometimes it's just the niche. Reason number 2. Where your audience lives. Advertisers pay different amounts for different countries. High-paying countries: United States, Canada, UK, Australia, Germany. Lower CPM countries: India, Pakistan, Indonesia, Brazil, Mexico. If 80% of your viewers are from low CPM regions, your RPM will be low even if your viewers are high. That's why two channels with the same views can have very different earnings. Reason 3. Your viewers might not be watching ads. Your audience may skip ads immediately, use ad blockers, leave the video early, watch with low attention. Remember, you only earn when ads are shown and watched long enough. Short watch time, fewer mid-rolls ads, lower RPM. This one is important. Not all videos allow plenty of ads. For example, very short videos, viewer or no ads, reuse content, limited ads, TikTok, low advertiser pay, conversational topics, demonetized or restricted ads. If advertisers feel your content is not brand safe, they either pay less or skip your video completely. Reason 5. CPM changes throughout the year. For example, January is the lowest, advertisers stop spending after holidays. November, December is the highest, Black Friday, the Christmas. June, July is usually moderate, so if your CPM drops suddenly, it might just be the month. How to increase your CPM and RPM. Make content advertisers actually want. Shift part of your content into high-paying niches. For example, add tutorials, add finance tips, add tech reviews, add AI tools. So even mixing one video per week can boost your overall RPM. Target high CPM countries. You can't choose your viewers, but you can adjust your content. Use English titles, universal topics, and search-focused videos. This attracts viewers from the US, Canada, and Europe, automatically raising your CPM. Make longer videos. Long videos, 8 to 12 minutes, allow multiple mid-rolls ads. More ads, higher RPM. This is simple. Increase viewer retention. If people stay longer, YouTube show more ads. Use hooks, storytelling, and visual to keep viewers engaged. Higher watch time, higher RPM. Use search-based content. Videos that rank on the search receive high values ads because advertisers target keyword-based queries, tutorials, reviews, and how-to video get excellent CPM. Avoid refused content. You will get limit or yellow ads if your content has copyrighted clips, use sensitive topics, has violent or political content. Clean content, better ads, more money. Optimize your title for high-value keywords. A lot of creators don't realize this, but keywords can literally change your CPM. If your title includes keywords like tutorials, review, software, finance, AI, setup guide, advertisers pay more because these are buyer intent keywords. So don't just title your video for views, title for advertisers too. Add chapters to your video. Adding chapters help people navigate your video, but it also increase watch time because viewers feel more control and stay longer. Higher watch time leads to more mid-rolls, which directly increase your RPM. Improve your audience age group. Young audience don't get high-paying ads. Advertisers prefer viewers between 18 to 44 years old. So create content that appeal to working adults. Tutorials, product review. That's all for today. See you.